Welcome to Crypto Tips. My name's Archer Bullseye, and today we're going to be doing a review of the Tangem hardware wallet. This little guy claims it will take an ice bath and keep on working. We're also going to take a look at some of the security flaws that may be on the card itself. Stick with us to find out. Alright, before we get started, I did want to let you know that I was offered a promotional card, but I did pay with this wallet with my own money just to make sure that we bring you an unbiased review and don't waste your time. So as you saw, this little guy took an ice bath, still working, no issues, hit it with a hammer, dropped it, put it in my wallet, continues to work, no problem. It is an RFID card, so there's an antenna that goes around usually towards the outside, a lot of times the inside as well, and then there'll be a little chip inside. So as long as those aren't damaged, it will continue to work. If anything does happen to it, it does come with a 25-year warranty. I talked to them about it. They said they really haven't had to replace many at this time. The card's very featured. It supports over 6,000 cryptocurrency tokens off 34 different chains: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, BNB being some of the top ones. In research for this video, I contacted both the email and the Telegram support, and bar none, they were great. They answered every question except for one question that we'll get into a little bit later. But they were super helpful. They always answered in a very timely manner. It's certainly built to last, but let's go ahead and get into some of the issues. The first thing that jumps out at you is that the Tangem wallet does not support HD wallet structures. This is part of a Bitcoin Improvement Protocol, or BIP39, that allows you to restore your wallet via a 12, 18, or 24-word seed phrase. The Bitcoin wallet is determined by an algorithm that is encoded into the card. Because of that, it's important to remember that your Tangem wallet is your only backup option. So usually you buy these in packs of 2 or 3. That way you can have a backup of your wallet. Since there's no recovery seed, there's no recovery key, another wallet is your only recovery. Because of that, make sure that you geographically separate these cards once you've backed them up. Then there's the issue of trust. While the software on the phone itself is open sourced and available to use in case anything were to ever happen to Tangem, that's the software that you use to scan the card itself. The firmware on the card, unfortunately I was not able to verify what's on the card itself, how the keys are determined, how the wallet's put together, what they do with your funds after that. There's no way to verify that. This goes back to the support question that I raised earlier that never got answered. They tried to send me over to the head of their customer service, who unfortunately never answered. So although the firmware was audited 5 years ago, I have no way of knowing that that is the same firmware that was on the card that was shipped to me. The last downside of the card, which unfortunately many hardware wallets suffer from, is that it's very obvious. It says it right here: multi-currency hardware wallet. On the back it says multi-currency self-storage hardware wallet. Unfortunately, it becomes an easy target for thieves or governments to be able to know exactly what this is and then use a wrench attack to figure out whatever password is you set on it. But do make sure that you have a password on it. It gives you the option when setting up. It's very important that you have that on there. Oh, hey, sorry about that. I was just putting my shoes back on. Apparently they might have a bomb in them. I don't know. I only paid 10 bucks for them. Seems pretty unlikely that someone would have put a bomb in them in the factory. Anyway, since this is Crypto Tips, I want to give you a tip. Remember, when you're traveling, When you're going through airport security, when you're stopped by local authorities, anything like that, you're not carrying your crypto on you. Doesn't matter if you've got a software wallet, a hardware wallet, or heck, even a paper wallet. Doesn't mean that you've got your crypto on you. Remember that wallets are just keys in order to get your crypto on the blockchain. And blockchain is non-geographical. It's not here, it's not there. As of right now, it's not really anywhere, legally speaking. So, when you're going through the airport, remember, you don't need to declare how much crypto you have. So it's got a lot of pros to it. It's a great little nice compact hardware wallet. Unfortunately, I will not be recommending it for use in any long-term or high-value storage situations. There's just too many unknowns and too many different ways for you to lose your funds. However, I do think there are some good uses for it. It would definitely, with how compact it is, be great for traveling. It doesn't require any sort of connections or extra plugs. You just need your phone, which would make it very portable. It's something that you could slip in your wallet. Hopefully, when you're flying, you can get right past the toiletries seizure administration with no issues. It's just, I would not store anything of high value on it. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Just remember, it's always crucial to do your own research and consider all factors, or as many factors as possible, before making a decision on which hardware wallet you want to use. If you liked this review, go ahead and drop in the comments what you want to see next. Hit that like button, and I know a lot of you watching are not subscribed, so go ahead and do that. It helps out the channel immensely. Thanks, and have a great rest of your day.